To infinity.
And...
Welcome to One and Only M-Stream. Ating balikan ng isa na namang pelikula na mula sa Disney Pixar's. Baka may nalagpasan kang detalye, movie connections at reference sa solo film na nag-iisang Buzz Lightyear. Tara, hanapin natin yan. Before we begin, you can comment down below to join in my custom shoutout. Alam naman natin na una natin nakita si Buzz Lightyear bilang isang laruan sa pelikulang Toy Story. At siya ay may iba't ibang kasabihan at sounds na madidinig din natin sa pelikulang ito.
My ship! My ship!
Terrain seems a bit unstable.
Terrain seems a bit unstable.
Buzz Lightyear to Star Command. Come in, Star Command. Star Command, come in. Do you read me? Why don't they answer?
Buzz Lightyear to Star Command. Come in, Star Command. Star Command, come in. Why don't they answer?
No readout yet if the air is breathable.
No readout yet if the air is breathable.
And there seems to be no sign of intelligent life anywhere.
Hello? There seems to be no sign of intelligent life anywhere.
Who are you talking to?
No one.
You're mocking me, aren't you?
You're mocking me, aren't you?
Buzz Lightyear mission log, stardate 4072.
Buzz Lightyear mission log, stardate 4071.
As a member of the elite Universe Protection Unit of the Space Ranger Corps, I protect the galaxy from the threat of invasion.
As members of the elite Universe Protection Unit of the Space Ranger Corps, we've been charged to protect the galaxy from the threat of invasion.
Prepare to die.
Prepare to die.
Not today, Zurg!
Not today, Zurg.
Not today!
Not today, Ivan.
To infinity and beyond!
To infinity?
And beyond.
Sa Toy Story, ang Buzz Lightyear doon ay binusesa ni Tim Allen. Pero sa pelikulang Lightyear, siya ay binusesa ni Chris Evans. Ang Wilhelm scream ay ating madidinig. Ito yung sigaw na gamit sa ilang pelikula. At ito ay madidinig natin sa eksenang ito. Muli natin nakita ang Pixar Lab. Ito ay sa pamamagitan ng mga star constellations. Nagkaroon din ng reference ang ilang Scream tanks na mula sa Monster Inc. Muli natin makikita ang Pizza Planet truck. Alam naman natin ang kalaban ni Buzz Lightyear si Emperor Zurg. At sa Toy Story 2, nalaman natin dito na tatay pala ni Buzz si Emperor Zurg.
Good throw, son. That's my boy. Go long, Buzzy.
Oh, you're a great dad!
Pero nalaman natin sa pelikulang ito na hindi niya tatay si Emperor Zurg dahil ang nasa likod nito ay ang matandang version lamang ni Buzz Lightyear. Samantala, sa post-credit scene, may kita natin ang shelf ang isang figurine ng aliens galing sa Toy Story. Nagkaroon din ng reference si Bernie mula sa Wall-E. Ano pa kayo napansin nyo sa pelikulang ito? Just comment down below. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for all my new videos and projects. See you next time.
Hello, Buzz.